Rain. Always rain.
Good morning, madam. Do you need to get through? I've made such a mess. Sorry, let me just,
No need. I'm headed to the watchtower. Still scrubbing away, I see.
Indeed. Master Bonku has offered me a ticket across the Ether Bridge once I finish shining the tower's panels.
And how's that going?
So far, so good, madam. One down, only 11,244 to go.
Keep up the good work, Pavel. You'll be done before you know it.
I will, madam. The master will be pleased. Won't he?
I'm sure of it. By the way, did you see a Forgotling pass by here earlier today? Glasses, clothy, kinda short?
I haven't seen anyone like that. I've been so absorbed in my work. Is something the matter, madam?
Rebels have breached the tower grounds. One got into my house.
How horrible! I would have been terrified.
I should get to the watchtower. See you around.
Bye, madam. A pleasure as always.
This can't be the work of one rebel. What a mess.
Who's out there? The enforcer's on her way, so you better not try anything.
Tiffany, it's me!
Anne? Oh, the rebels were here.
They were at my place too.
I can't open the gate. The animal flow is disrupted.
I'll load the dispenser and reverse the flow. Wait there!
Anne. We've got Anima again.
Tiffany, it's good to see you're okay.
Anne, I'm so glad you're here.
Give me a situation report.
Of course, Madam Enforcer. Follow me. A group of Forgottlings arrived from the workshop this morning. I thought they were bringing some gizmo for the ether bridge. I didn't realize their validation stickers were forged until after they were already through the front gate. So I activated the emergency shutdown. This little red scarf ran straight through the rear gate before it shut.
It was a chaotic situation, and you did the best you could. At least nobody got hurt. Don't beat yourself up about it.
Thanks, Anne. I won't let it happen again.
I know I can depend on you, Tiff.
Oh, he's going to be angry, isn't he? I hope I can still go after this.
Nobody's canceling your ticket across the ether bridge. I'll put in a good word for you.
The rebels tried to blow up the gate several times. It's a mess outside.
I saw. That blast destroyed the rail system. It's gonna affect the deliveries from the workshop.
Like that wasn't enough, the attack blew out the gate control. I'm trying to fix it, but it might take a while.
I need to get my wings. You want me to bring you the anima wrench?
Would you? Thanks, Anne.
How are the repairs coming along? Oh, I forgot the anima wrench.
I think I remember seeing it in the basement somewhere.
Master Banku, the watchtower is secure. But one Forgotling managed to get through. Don't worry, though. It's already been dealt with.
A most disturbing development. How did this happen?
They were using forged validation stickers. Tiffany prevented most of the rebels from entering the tower grounds.
That may be, but I wonder whether she should be replaced.
I don't think that's necessary, Master. If the rebels are retreating to the city, they'll have to take the trains from the tower station.
If we move quickly, we can catch them there.
Yes, Master. I'm on my way. wrench.
Oh, exactly what I needed. Thank you, Anne. Any problems getting your wings?
I'm on my way to get them now. Any progress?
Almost done. Does this wrench remind you of something, Anne? When Master Bonky was setting up the vault and you accidentally dropped it on his foot.
Oh, right. I completely forgot about that.
He designs all this intricate machinery for us, and here I am struggling to open a gate. It's crazy. One day we're having fun, the next the rebels are here. Makes you wonder what'll happen tomorrow. I think that should do it. The gate controls should be fixed. Try now. Oh no! I'm sorry, Anne.
Don't worry, Tip. It'll take more than a broken gate to stop me. What happened to the gate?
The gears broke. I'm not getting this open anytime soon. Sorry, Anne. Well done, Madam Enforcer. Go get those rebels.
Enforcer!
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fix the pipes. We have no anima at the workshop. Master Bonku's expecting us to ship the last section of the ether bridge today.
Kicking definitely won't help. The reverser at the watchtower is broken. You can't fix the flow from here.
Oh, I'll never go home now. I'll never again feel my owner's feet. Never again will I go hiking or climbing or running or...
I'm on my way to restore anima to the workshop.
You are? Wonderful! We might actually get to go home! I miss feet most of all. What do you miss most from the human world, Enforcer?
I don't have time to discuss this. Where's Strut?
He's at the workshop. He's in one of his moods today.
Thanks. Now stop kicking those.
But it's all I can do.